Nissan Rogue models from 2019 to 2022 use a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery in their key fobs. These batteries typically last 2 to 4 years. To replace it yourself, you'll need a new CR2032 battery, costing around $2 to $5, and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Using a plastic tool helps prevent scratches on the fob. Ensure you have these items before starting. Remember to handle batteries carefully to avoid short circuits. This DIY task takes about 2 to 5 minutes and saves you money compared to dealership replacement costs. First, locate the seam on the key fob casing. Gently insert your flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the seam and carefully pry the case open. Once open, remove the old battery, noting which side is facing up, the positive side. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up, matching the original orientation. Snap the key fob case back together until it's fully closed. Test the key fob functions, lock, unlock, panic alarm, and trunk release, to ensure the new battery is working correctly. If the fob is damaged or doesn't work after replacement, professional reprogramming may be required.